Hey Squeak, ever wonder what a plant actually eats? It hasn't even got a mouth. Ha, good question. It eats three things, and they spell NPK. NPK, NPK, that's what the plants eat every day from a tiny little seed to a sunflower tall. The soil's got the goodies to feed them all. N is for nitrogen, makes the leaves grow green, the leafiest, greenest greens you've ever seen. And here's a fun one. It's most of the air up high, but plants can't grab it straight from the sky. P is for phosphorus, down in the roots, powering the flowers and the fruits. It's the spark of energy that get up and grow, helping every little seedling put on a show. K is for potassium, the all-round friend, strong stems and defense from end to end. It moves the water and it fights disease, the multivitamin of the veggies, please. And where's it all from? Well, here's the scoop. Compost, manure, and the worms in the loop. The soil food web puts it on the plate, so eat your veggies. Now doesn't that taste great? So next time you munch on a carrot or a pea, say thanks to the soil and to NPK. This has been Bubbles and Squeak, signing off from the farm.